Hello, my muffins. It's me, Vicky, and today I have a very simple and fun tutorial for you. We're going to be making a candy double bracelet, just like this one. This bracelet takes about 49 beads. It might be more or less if your arm is a different size than mine, and 2 feet of string. For my beads, I'm going to be using these cool shiny cube type things as my connector beads. I'll be using 7 of those, and then the rest of the beads are going to be these clear glitter beads. The reason I'm going with clear is because I'm using this wonderful rainbow string I got at beadtin.com, not sponsored or anything, but I've heard you can use the code MOODCANDY to get 10% off. And I want the string to show through the beads, so that's why I'm using clear ones. And then of course, guys, don't forget, you need scissors. I've heard some of you have been biting the string instead of using scissors, and that sounds like a recipe for disaster. All right, let's get started. Okay, to start, I'm gonna get 2 feet of string. I use my arm to measure because I know that my arm is about 2 feet long. Okay, so first I'm going to add a connector bead. Ooh, a pink one. Okay, I'm just doing random colors for the connector beads. And then 3 of my clear glitter beads. Then another connector bead. 3 more glitter beads. Another connector bead. And 3 glitter beads. And then you just keep doing this pattern until the bracelet is long enough for your wrist or for whoever you're making it for. My wrist is about 6 inches around, and I'm using 7 connector beads. Okay, there's the last one. Great! Now I'm going to slide all of the beads to one end of the string. Leave about an inch or 2 hanging off. And now I'm going to tie it into a triple knot. Make sure to tug on the ends so you make sure your knot's secure. And don't cut it off, just leave it there. We're going to use it. So now I'm going to take my long end of string and place it through the connector bead that it's next to. Then just add on 3 clear beads onto that long string, and then put the string through the next connector bead. Now I'm going to put on 3 clear glitter beads again, and put my string through the next connector bead. Adding on 3 more beads, and putting my string through the next connector bead. And make sure you tug on your string just a bit after every few connector beads, just so you make sure that you're keeping a little bit of tension. And let's just continue with this all the way around. Now I'm adding on my last 3 beads to the bracelet. So once you've added on your last 3 beads, this is when we're going to make use of this little short piece of string that we left on there. And I'm just going to take the long end and the short end and tie them together so the bracelet comes together nicely. And I'll tie that 3 times and make sure to tug it a little bit just to make sure that knot is not going anywhere. And using a 1mm fabric coated elastic will really help with that. That is my number 1 piece of advice for people who ask me if I have any Kandi tips. And there we have it. A beautiful double-stranded bracelet. And you can see the colorful string through the clear beads. Now I have 2. Anyways, guys, if you watched my video, thanks a lot for watching my video. I really appreciate it. By the way, if you didn't know, I have merch now. It's probably like underneath this video. Check it out if you want. Anyways, guys, until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.